Welcome to my channel. AMC 401 engine for sale, reliable power performance. 1. Start with trusted sellers, skip the sketchy forums. Go straight to salvage yards, engine resellers, or trusted online shops. Check reviews, ask questions, and see if they actually know engines, not just prices. 2. Always check the block numbers. AMC blocks have identifiers. Make sure it is a real 401, not a rebadged 360. Sellers who avoid numbers? Red flag. 3. Mileage matters, but not alone. Low mileage is great, but how was it driven? A high-mile highway engine might be better than a low-mile one that's been abused. 4. Look for rebuild history. A rebuilt AMC 401 can be a gem if done right. Ask for receipts. If they say fresh rebuild but have nothing to show, walk away. 5. Inspect for cracks and rust. Old AMCs can have cracks around the lifter valley or water jackets. Photos matter. If buying in person, bring a flashlight. 6. Check compression. If the seller has numbers, good. If not, ask for them. Anything uneven or below spec means work ahead. 7. Compare prices before you commit. AMC 400 ones are rare. Some sellers overcharge because they know it. Compare at least 3 sources before you buy. 8. Factor in shipping and core charges. That cheap engine might cost way more once you factor in freight or a core return. Always ask before paying. 9. Grab extra parts while you can. These engines are not sitting on every shelf. If you find one, grab accessories, manifolds, and brackets if they are included. Saves you time later. 10. Plan for maintenance day 1. Even if it is ready to run, swap the oil pump, gaskets, and timing set. AMC parts are strong but old. A few hours of wrenching will buy you years of peace. Thank you for watching.